I meditated non-stop for 7 days. Here's what happened. I decided to push my mind to the limits, to sit in stillness and silence for 7 days, meditating non-stop. No distractions, no entertainment, just me, my breath, and the present moment. What happened over the course of a week was beyond anything I expected. At first it seemed simple. Sit, breathe, observe. But within hours my mind became restless, craving stimulation, searching for escape. Thoughts raced. What if I'm wasting my time? What if I don't last the full 7 days? The first lesson of meditation revealed itself quickly. My mind was not in control. It was running on autopilot, and for the first time, I truly saw it. As I settled deeper, I noticed something strange. Time slowed down. A single minute felt stretched. Each inhale and exhale became its own universe. I began to see just how much of my life had been spent either anticipating the future or dwelling on the past. But here, in meditation, there was nowhere to go. Just this moment. By the second day, my body ached. Sitting for hours at a time, my legs felt heavy, my back tight. But then came another realization. Pain isn't just physical, it's mental. The moment I stopped resisting the discomfort, something shifted. The pain didn't disappear, but it no longer controlled me. It was just there, like a passing cloud. On the third day, my mind entered a new phase. The chatter, the constant thoughts, they weren't as loud. A strange calmness took over, as if my brain was finally accepting that it wasn't getting its usual distractions. With each passing breath, I felt a deeper sense of presence, as if I was sinking into the fabric of reality itself. By day 4, my senses were heightened. The simple act of breathing felt alive, electric. My heartbeats became louder in my awareness, my body lighter, my surroundings sharper. Every sound, every sensation, every moment became an experience in itself. I didn't need anything. Everything I had was right here. By day 5, something unexpected happened. I felt an overwhelming sense of euphoria, not the kind that comes from excitement, but the deep, unshakable joy of simply existing. I realized how much I had been searching for happiness in the external world, chasing achievements, entertainment, and validation. But here in silence, with nothing but my own awareness, I felt whole, complete. Happiness wasn't something I needed to find. It was something I needed to allow. By the 6th day, I had lost all sense of time. Was it morning or night? Did it even matter? I wasn't watching the clock anymore. The past and future had faded into the background. There was just this moment, stretching endlessly, filled with peace. Then came the final day, day 7. I had spent a full week immersed in silence and stillness. As I prepared to return to the outside world, something became crystal clear. We are constantly distracting ourselves from the truth that everything we need is already within us. We chase, we consume, we run from discomfort. But when we sit with ourselves, when we truly pay attention, we realize that peace isn't something out there. It's right here, right now. When I opened my eyes for the first time in 7 days, the world looked different, brighter, clearer. Not because anything had changed, but because I had. Meditation isn't just sitting quietly. It's the key to unlocking a deeper reality, one that's been there all along. And the best part? You don't have to meditate for 7 days to experience it. You just have to start right now.